The Employees page of the Payroll module allows you to add your employees into the payroll you have selected. To add an employee to this list, press Add Employee. Now, in order for an employee to be added to the payroll, the following pieces of data will need to be added to that employee's record in the Employee module. If you believe that you already have this data filled in, you may skip over this part of the video. The first piece of data is on the Additional Information page. You will need to give the employee a payroll or employee ID number. The second piece of data is on the Employee Status page. Simply mark the employee as eligible for payroll and make sure that the employee is also assigned to a pay group. The final part is on the Comp and Performance page. If the employee has a salary plan added, you are good to go. If you have not yet added in a salary plan for the employee, you may do so now. Now that your employees are ready to be added into the payroll, simply check off the box at the top of the table to select all of the employees and press Add Selected. The employees will then be added to the list for your payroll. To review information on any employee, simply press the red link Employee ID number. This will open up a new screen of information for you to edit before closing out the payroll. Refer to the help text on this page for additional information on how this data was computed. If you wish to provide your payroll vendor with additional instructions on how to process payroll for this employee, enter the instructions in the empty text field. If the employee is paid on a salary plan, you will see the amount here. Likewise, if the employee is paid hourly, this section will be replaced by one that shows the employee's hourly wage and hours approved by the employee's manager. You may make any last-minute adjustments to any of the hours in this section. Any additional earnings will also be shown in the Earnings section. If a bonus or other form of additional compensation may have not been submitted, you may adjust these fields as needed. The final section includes deductions from the benefit plans the employee may be on. You may also make any needed adjustments to these fields. Please refer to the Benefits module to check if the deduction for the benefit plan you choose to edit is shown as a percentage or a whole number. Once you have reviewed or made changes to the information given, press Save. The employee's information for this payroll will be saved. If you determine that the changes you have made need to be recalculated to the values provided by the system, open up that employee's information and press Recalculate. For example, this might be necessary if you added in a bonus from this screen, but another admin added in the same one that you did, but from the Comp and Performance screen. You would need to hit Recalculate to factor in that change. Once you have reviewed or made changes to the information, you are now ready to close the payroll.